Me rotted. You see it? Not even a day. And I told you so. A spiritual leader has been charged, ladies and gentlemen, for the sexual assault of a minor during an exorcism. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari Soldier of Deep Roots TV, and if this is your first time tuning in, hit that red subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get all of the Roots content. Me I tell you, say me I blaze them hard from lately. These Jamaican men are egregiously nasty. Here you have a spiritual leader, and you have a client that brought her minor to the spiritual leader to perform an exorcism. Me not even know say them think they real. Me think they just in a dopey show. This occurred earlier this year, May 6th. Now, the police is saying that they reported that a St. Catherine, again, man is described himself as a spiritual leader. He's been charged in connection with the sexual assault of a minor. He says the police say that the offense were allegedly committed February 6th during an exorcism. Now, which kind of spiritual leader, or which kind of man, which kind of sensible person, when I do exorcism, not up upon a person, or some evil spirit in them. When did I try to walk it out there? When did I try to backshot it out there? Lizard lap it out there? Cup and sauce it out there? Foot pan shoulder? What him did I try do? Nasty him nasty. First of all, the child is a child. Second of all, it sound like I want dopey picnic. Dopey depend the picnic. So then bring the picnic, go do spiritual exorcism. And the parents them so dumb. Then left the picnic with this here madman. Both him a do exorcism. So guess what? The picnic, you know them mad picnic there? Are them mad people there whenever see sunlight? And their skin look smooth. And their eye look weird like a marble. You are guarantee? Him get infatuated with the little picnic and look like him got dilly and dally. Joma Hepburn. That's his name. A 42-year-old person of Gordon Boulevard in Spanish Town again. Spain Town. I must see that's how he held there. And that's how the devil there. I must in a Spanish Town the devil there. Now, he has been charged by the detective assigned to the Center of the Investigation for Sexual Offense and Child Abuse. He was charged with rape, grievous sexual assault, and sexual touching of a child. The police report that the child was sent to Hepburn for more than a day or so, where he was to perform an exorcism. Now you see it, them not even bring the picnic to this madman. I mean, people have the audacity sometimes because I am existential and excited, brilliant and bright. If you look for me and try to style me as mad. But you know that's how Jamaicans do. The Rasta man try to downgrade the intellectual light, them turn out the light. But them your people here more than mad. You can't have your good picnic. Although them set up on them, sometimes it's a different illness. And you need to, Jamaicans, you need to stop do the voodoo and the obia. And when you're sick, you bring the picnic them and bring on the family members to some professional with PhD. You are going to take the PhD represent the professional of health and medicine or doctor of psychology or whatever. Whatever them specialize in, if them don't have no PhD, them doctorate them, then you are idiot. Can you have your child? Answer me in a comment, people. Good pick me or mad pick me. Dopey depon him or not. You chat about spiritual leader before you bring the picnic to a qualified medical specialist, a qualified pediatric. Uno mad, but no for uno we say, boy, me try everything. I lie. Uno bring the picnic go down my corner store, go buy $2 or 2 Offences. Uno never try nothing. Uno beat them in a some tea bath or something. Or give them some junk, uno bud or something, black bud fin yam and some rat soup. Uno always a walk up here and use uno head. The police report that the child was sent to Hepburn to perform an exorcism. Now, if me and my picnic animal perform exorcism, me I go with him. I go with her. Me not just send him. Then what if the dopey take him on the way to the exorcism? Oh no, mad people. It has been alleged that during the exorcism, he committed sexual acts, including rape. Now, if the parents or an adult or somebody would have sensed it in the child's life, you don't think say you don't see him perform the sexual act during the exorcism? Eh? And don't tell me say you did it, I never know. Now, a report was subsequently made to the police, and Hepburn was arrested and charged. Now, I'm saying the court date is to be set. The court date to be set. And this happened from May 6th. People, the Jamaican government have a whole bunch of serial killer, rapists, kidnappers, abusers, liars, and thieves to deal with. And if you remember, say Jamaica is the jail of the Western Hemisphere. All right, bad slave them and mad slave them there here. You don't know if you tighten up the thing on this side. If you not got broke boy neck, electric boy, hang boy, or fire squad boy, cause boy not learn. Long time, I'm telling you, Jamaicans have a pedophilia mentality, a rapist mind, a murderous environment, polluting the entire world and the next generation with the idiotness. What am I doing a dance hall? Bad mind is breeding, and them have some wicked vipers and killers, and them starting at the dungeon. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari soldier. I love my great island, and I love the people that call themselves Jamaican. But you see them new Gen X, them new quengers, the new choppers, the new bleachers. I am afraid to even mix in the environment, to even find myself in the atmosphere, in the geographical location or region of these vipers of today. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV. I'm reporting live here that a dirty clown will call himself a spiritual leader by the name of Joma Hepburn, a 42-year-old man from Gordon Boulevard in Spanish Town. Him get charged by the detective the investigation of sexual offense and child abuse. He was charged with rape and grievous sexual assault and sexual touching of a minor. The police report that this child was sent to Hepburn for him to have perform an exorcism. Me blame the parents who can't send dopey picnic or mad people or mad picnic by themselves. Now mine I dopey joke him off. It is being alleged that during this exorcism, the spiritual leader committed sexual acts, including rape. A report was subsequently made. Me don't know if don't Duppy dep on a picnic, you know. Because if Duppy did dep on him, Duppy would have boxed down the spiritual leader. Or maybe I Duppy and the spiritual leader plan it up. You see? Make me know what go on and what I go on. Cause me done tell a long time. Say, in a Jamaica, that a go on. In a Jamaica, that a go on. You hear them and them say, them guard up. Hey.
Hello,
Leave your
my
comment.
name is Ashina and welcome to Deep Roots TV. Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure you tune in.
You don't know what kind of people this. Them your people here sick. How me be send me the people me come see you? And you are joking. Rastafari. Me can't believe me eye. Jamaicans will dogo anything